Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to do goddess locks. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to see more of my work. Hopefully this video helps you. Enjoy! These are the things you're going to need to complete your goddess locks. In the beginning of the locks, what I'm doing is I'm putting my client's hair into single braids. As you can see, I'm not braiding it too tight to her scalp because once you start wrapping, it's going to become tighter. Make sure that you braid all the way past the person's hair so it protects it. To attach the Marley hair, you have to use a crochet needle. What I do is I leave a little bit of the Marley hair to where I stopped the person's natural hair. And then I fold it in half, and that's when I start wrapping. Wrap the locks all the way down to my desired length, and then I go ahead and I take a piece of the Marley hair and I wrap it in the same spot for about 3 times, and then I go ahead and I tie it in one knot. What I do to secure the knot is I use super glue. I have found this method to be more effective and it does not cause the locks to unravel. So here, I'm done with all of the locks. Now to clean up the locks and make the ends look neat, I'm going to go ahead and cut the Marley hair off. And then what I do to make the ends look more natural is I separate the curls into 2, and I cut off the curl that's looking messy and I keep the curl that's looking neat. Or sometimes I keep the long curl and then I cut off the short curl. As I repeated, you can see. And then some people do not trim their locks because they want it to look natural. It's a preference. I like my work to look neat. So I trim, but I don't trim a lot. So as you can see here as well, I trimmed her ends and now I'm accessorizing. We're getting ready for the final touch. So this brings my video to an end. All I'm doing here is I'm just accessorizing it. You can get any of these jewelries from like your local beauty supply stores or Amazon or any place where they sell hair and accessories or jewelry. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to click the subscribe button.
It's High Sun on the bit.